Hey guys, this is going to be an unboxing video of my Rubik's 2x2. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna cut it. Here it is. Inside here. Oh, it's really nice. This is really smooth. Heck. I think it needs to be tightened a lot. Okay, see you guys.